Hello everyone and welcome to a quick video if repasting your old GPU is actually worth it or not. I have an RTX 2080 Super from Gigabyte and it used to thermal throttle during during even gaming, which resulted in lag spikes, which wasn't really pretty and really enjoyable to play with. So I did replace my GPU. It wasn't an awful job. It was actually pretty easy, just unscrewing the heatsink and repasting it with RTX MX4 thermal paste. I left thermal pads there, which I didn't tear off, so I could leave them there. Otherwise, if you wanna, you can also replace thermal pads, but they are usually fine if they're not broken. Mine weren't. I was actually careful, and the old paste literally looked like a dry sand. So putting fresh Arctic MX4 was really giving my GPU a second life. As you can see, I ran only a handful of tests. I'm running firmware right now, and my GPU temps are looking absolutely awesome. Well, my clocks are not dipping. I'm not running it overclocked or anything. It's not even I haven't even pushed the sliders. I have no reason to. My clocks are stable. It's 73 degrees on a GPU and 86 on a hotspot. And the firmware has been running for, I don't know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes right now. And also I did couple benchmarks. So this one I did still Nomad. This one is after I repasted it, and this one is before. You can see there are a lot of improvements because it's now not thermal throttling. I gained another 10, 15, 12% more performance again. I got it back. And that's just because it's not thermal throttling and it's not giving me lag spikes in games, which were really not great. So you don't have to be scared to open up your GPU. Just look up a guide, and if it's a couple years old, maybe it's time to repaste it if it's running hot. And yeah, it's really worth it. So see ya at another video. If you got any questions, leave them below. And I'll see you again. Bye bye.